Today we will learn how to stop hair fall in a week with one simple ingredient. Take onion peels. Benefit number 1. Onions peels are rich in sulfur that prevents hair from breakage and thinning. Add 1 glass of water in it. Boil it on medium flame until it remains 1/4. Number 2. Onions peel promotes hair growth. Don't forget to subscribe. Store it in a spray bottle when it comes at room temperature. Number 3. Onions peel relieve an itchy scalp due to its anti-inflammatory qualities. Apply this on your scalp. For more easy remedies, do subscribe our channel.